but you can change it. Once it's in Marketplace, it's completely independent as far as its settings. And you can see your different pricing options here. We have the ability to do promotional pricing, so you can do a promotional price for a certain amount of time as well. Add a description. These are all, you just click on it, add your description. Set your version. Choose your category. Add an endpoint. And then add a screenshot. I don't have one ready, but this little progress bar up here will tell you we won't list your app until you've reached 100% on this. So once you've reached 100% on the progress, your app will show up in the Marketplace ready to go. And if you're interested in showing up in bestsellers, or we also have these promo areas down here that basically show you the different promo areas, you can contact Kristen and she will talk to you about it. Okay, I think I have enough time for a few questions. That's all I have prepared. I know that was a fire hose. We will put the code for that app that I just did up somewhere where you can get to it, probably in the documentation. But if you have any questions, thanks. Tom.
Are there any plans to do ratings?
Yes, in phase 2, we'll do ratings and comments. It's on the docket. So, a question in the back here.
How does deploying an app with an info card work? What does that even mean?
What it does is it downloads a .crd file that you can then load into the Azigo selector. So if you have an Azigo selector, I like to think of it like iTunes. I can have, instead of having Firefox manage all of my extensions for me, the Azigo selector is nice because I have sort of like an app store where I can flip through all my apps I can enable and disable very easily. I can see which apps they run on. So if you prefer the information card as your distribution method, then that's how you would do that. We just generate a .crd file. And we will be working with Azigo to make sure that we can do all the fancy stuff that Tom talked about, where we can couple the Azigo selector with the card, so it's a single install. They get the selector and the card at the same time. We talked to them about doing that. Right now, it's personal preference. So we like to think of browser extensions as being single purpose. So if you have a specific activity that would only be for that one purpose that you want have happen in your application, then you would use a browser extension. We hope that more people will go to the information cards, because as that capability increases, like the ability to draw personal data out of the info card and use that data to customize your rule and what your rule does, we hope that more people will latch onto that technology and use it. Also, it's a nice interface for managing your application and which ones fire and when. So if you have a user base that already has Card Selector installed, it's really, really nice experience as far as installing and managing those cards. Yes, repeat the question. I got it. Okay.
All right. Thanks, Mike.